So there are around 2.5 billion searches happening on ChatGPT every day, where people are looking for products, services, and websites. So if you want to rank your product, service, or website on top of ChatGPT like this or this, then keep watching. We will cover step by step how to rank on top of ChatGPT and how does search engine optimization work with these AI LLMs. Now, if you don't know who I'm Abdesh Saxena. I have 20 plus years of experience in building large applications for Fortune companies. And for past few years, I'm researching on AI and sharing my learning on this channel. Before we cover some of the practical example, let's understand how ChatGPT actually pulls information. So ChatGPT or other AI LLMs or large language model, what they do is they crawl through the web and different knowledge material, and they use that training data up to a certain cutoff date. So whenever you search for something, first they will look through their crawl or cutoff date information, and after that they will look for the internet, like Google search, Bing, whatever, and try to find you the latest information. So in order to rank on top of ChatGPT, a website has to be machine readable, discoverable, and trustworthy. We are going to discuss with example how it actually works. So we will cover different examples. So first example is how does ChatGPT SEO work with local businesses. And before we go ahead, if you have not done already, don't forget to subscribe the channel and bookmark this video so that you can come back again and refer anything you would like. Now, so first what I did was I searched for one of the local queries, best hot tub seller near me. So what ChatGPT did was it found out that okay, I live in Cumming, Georgia, and then it looked for hot tub sellers near me, and it found this option. Then I was like, okay, and it asked me, hey, do you want more option? I said yes, I do want more option. It provided me this Atlanta Spa and Leisure as first option, and then few more options is provided. Now, I asked ChatGPT directly, hey, why are you providing Atlanta Spa and Leisure as a top recommendation? What are some of the things which you are looking at? And here's what ChatGPT itself told me, and I kind of and I agree with its recommendation. So first, it is looking for proximity. So yes, it found my location. It is using the geolocation relevance, similar to what we used to do earlier in local SEO for ranking on Google and other website. Secondly, it looked for topical relevance. This website has multiple keywords on hot tub, spa, and whatnot, and that's why uh, it is appearing as a more relevant website in this area. It has authority and content quality. They have published a lot of articles, blogs, FAQs, um, and it has a good amount of reviews. So if you see reviews, they are having 329, which is pretty high. So these all factors are contributing and making this website rank on top. Now let's look at its second competitor. Okay. Now, if we look at this Georgia wholesale hot tub, they have only 37 reviews. Okay. And if we go to their website, okay, so they have some content uh, about hot tubs, but looks like they can add more articles and more content. Their content is also limited. Okay. So now if you compare these 37 reviews with of this website with almost 329 reviews of the first one, you see the difference. So if you are a local business, first what you should do is go to ChatGPT, look for the terms which you want to rank for, and see where you are ranking, and find out why you are not ranking on top. If you're not, if you're already ranking on top, if you're already ranking on top, awesome. Keep doing whatever you are doing, getting more reviews, publishing more articles, and whatnot. If you look at it, right, so ChatGPT is getting its data and content by crawling through the web. So if you had a website which was already doing good on SEO on web, then you have a high chances being on top on ChatGPT algorithm as well. So this is one example. It was a local site. Now let's look at a software product which is not local. Now in the second example, what I did was I searched for best chatbot for insurance agents. So if you are say software company or you know which is specializing in particular thing, then you can search for that niche category. Now one caveat, like it may be very difficult to rank on a generic terms. So whichever business you are, try to get more specific when you're trying to improve your SEO or search engine optimization on ChatGPT. So here chatbot only for insurance agent. So what ChatGPT did is it provided certain options, and uh, this is one cover code number one, second, third, and so it provided few options. Then what I did was that I asked it to rank one of the product I know in this list. So it said, okay, let me add it, and it did add it. Now, if I am a new entrant and I want to get into top of this rank, what I should do? So first, so for like example, like I want to rank this friendly agent bot on top. So what first thing we have to do is analyze these top website, find out how many articles they have published. In this case, I did some research, and this number one website has multiple articles on this chatbot thing, like 10 AI chatbot, or what are the top chatbots for insurance agents and whatnot. So their website had a heavy content on these key phrases, and which was helping it in rank on top on Google as well. The first is like create more articles, content uh, around the area which you want to rank. Then they had a website which was having some authority. It was in market for longer period of time. That's also which SEO looks for. It was having a faster response time. It was opening comparatively faster, and there are so many of these small factors which add up. So if you want to rank, first look at their website, what kind of articles, content they have created, and then you can use ChatGPT itself. So here I use ChatGPT to create a YouTube video script and also a blog for this other website which is also focused on chatbot. Once we start publishing these blog article and ranking them on Google and improving their SEO, slowly you'll start seeing it coming here as well. Now, next thing which you should do is look at the analytics of your website or YouTube video or whatever, and find out what kind of traffic are you getting from ChatGPT or other LLMs. Now, if you look here, this is from one of my videos on YouTube, and I observed that most of the external traffic I was getting from ChatGPT. And then this helped me in doing more research and finding, okay, what people are looking for, how they are searching, how is my title and different things structured, which are helping in ranking this on top of ChatGPT. And I'm trying to implement similar thing in my other videos as well. This video is related to a complete course on AI. So if you want to learn everything about AI, check out this video, link I have provided below. I hope you found this video valuable. If there's anything else you want me to cover, then please leave a comment. And also let me know where your website or product is ranking on ChatGPT, and I may be able to help you in improving your ranking. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you next time. Thank you.